In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin on your Wix website easy. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need someone to help manage your site, assigning an admin can save you time and keep your site running smoothly. Don't worry, the process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have everything set up in no time. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Wix website. Open up your browser, navigate to wix.com, and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main Wix dashboard. This is your hub for managing everything on your website, so make sure you're familiar with this area if you aren't already. From here, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with several options. What we're looking for here is the Setup option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new section where you can access a variety of settings for your website. It's a good idea to take note of this area, because it's where you can adjust a lot of your site's key features and permissions. Once the Setup section is open, you'll want to find the section labeled Manage Team Members or Roles. This is where you can control who has access to your site and what permissions they have. Take a moment to locate this area. It's an important part of adding collaborators to your Wix site. Now, on the website's main dashboard area, you're going to see three little dots somewhere near the section we just opened. These three dots are part of the action menu. Click on them, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, you're going to select the option that says Invite Collaborators. This is the key step that will allow you to add someone to your team. Once you've clicked on Invite Collaborators, a form will pop up asking for the email address of the person you want to invite. This is where you'll enter their email address, so make sure you double-check it for accuracy before moving on. A small typo here could mean the invitation doesn't reach the right person, so it's worth being careful. With the email entered correctly, the next step is to assign a role to this person. In this case, we'll be selecting the admin co-owner role. This role gives them administrative access to your site, meaning they can help manage and edit it, just like you can. Make sure you're comfortable with this level of access before selecting it, as it provides significant control over your website. Once you've chosen the role, you're almost done. The last step here is to send the invitation. At the bottom of the invitation form, you'll see a button that says Send Invites. Click on it, and the system will send an email invitation to the person you're adding as an admin. It's as simple as that. Finally, you'll want to confirm that the invitation was received and accepted by the person you invited. They'll need to open their email, click on the invitation link, and follow the instructions to accept the role. Once they've done that, they'll officially be added as an admin to your Wix website, and you're all set. And there you have it. Adding an admin to your Wix website really is that easy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.